Hello, Jason Valiante here, the CEO of Valiante Tax and Financial Management. Round 2 of the Paycheck Protection Program funding has gone on, and maybe you're still sitting on the sidelines. Maybe you're wondering, do I even qualify? Today we're going to talk about the self-employed person, 0 employees. I've been getting questions from them. They've been sitting on the sidelines thinking, am I even eligible for this? Think free money, get in the game now. I'm going to answer some questions that are actually sent to me by some clients. I thought I'd put them together and answer them for you. Jason, I'm self-employed, 0 employees. I file on 1040 Form Schedule C. Am I eligible for the Paycheck Protection Program? You bet you are. Again, think free money. Here we go. Here's 4 qualification points for you. 1, you must have been in business before February 15th, 2020. Pretty easy criteria. You must be self-employed as a sole proprietor or an independent contractor. Pretty simple. That's just someone who files Schedule C and is not incorporated. Easy to do. Principal place of business must be the United States. Duh. You have filed or will file Form 1040 Schedule C 2019. That's the biggest dilemma right there. Maybe you haven't filed yet. What do I do? Hang on a second. Let me get to question 2 and I'll help you with the 4th point of question 1. Jason, I have no employees. How do I calculate the maximum amount I can borrow and what documentation is required? Okay, you must have filed your 2019 Schedule C. If you have not, what these lenders are going to do, they're going to ask you to fill it out to the best of your ability. Take that Schedule C, put it in a PDF format. Have it ready. That's what you're going to use to submit. You're going to take line 31, your net profit, divide it by 12. That's your average net profit. Multiply it by 2.5. That is going to be the loan amount that you qualify or are applying for. In addition, the forms you're going to need, anyone who's issued you a 1099 miscellaneous income, get that into a PDF format. You're going to need to load it into a portal. Have some bank statements saved for all of last year or from February past showing that you've been in business, deposits have been going on. You can print invoices from your QuickBooks, PayPal if you use that for invoicing. Let me tell you something. Let this be a lesson if you're someone out there who doesn't keep accounting and just uses Excel and uses receipts and brings that to your tax professional. Start doing accounting. They have QuickBooks Self-Employed. They have programs to help you stay organized and help you run reports and manage a business like real. I want you to think that way. Use this as a lesson. Question number 3. What amount of loan qualifies for forgiveness? Remember, I don't have any employees. Okay, this is going to be 8 weeks worth of your net profit from your 2019 Schedule C. There's 52 weeks in a year. 8 divided by 52 is the calculation they're using on this. 8 weeks of your office rent or office mortgage. I doubt very many of you actually own a building under a sole proprietorship and are not incorporated, but the office rent you pay, and if you do pay a mortgage, it's 852s of that. So whatever you pay for that over 2 months. Utility payments also count towards forgiveness in the Paycheck Protection Program. I'm going to throw out some basic numbers and this will help you do it. I want you to do it all on a calculator yourself so you get used to doing it. Okay? You had $30,000 net. You divide that by 12, comes out to $2,500 even. That's why I did $30,000. That's your $2,500, your average monthly profit from the Schedule C. You take that and multiply it by 2.5, you have $6,250. That's the loan amount you're applying for. Again, try this at home with your calculator, okay? Now you're going to take 30,000 and you're going to take 852 times 30,000. That comes out to 4,615. Write yourself a check that says owner's draw for those amounts over 2.5 months. That's automatically going to be forgivable. 852s of your rent, mortgage, utilities is going to be forgivable. What if you don't have rent and those problems? Let's say you work at home, you have a home office, right? So now you're thinking 4,615 is forgivable. What about the difference of $1,635? Did you know the Paycheck Protection Program loan, if you don't get all of it forgiven, the amount that is not forgiven becomes a loan at 1% interest rate, repayable over 2 years? Think easy to pay back, free money for your company to stay in business right now. Take these things. You need it. The economy's struggling. If you need help or have questions, don't hesitate to get with us below. Shoot an email, shoot a link, say, Jason, thanks for the help, thanks for the video. I had a quick question. We love you. Keep your head up.